Hey, so you're looking to build a brand new home of your own? On today's episode, we'll talk about what the very first steps should be when considering building a home. Again, this is Steve Turner, the new home sales pro, coming at you with step number one being finding the right location. And what I mean by that is, first we have to figure out, are you going to be building this on a lot that you just find somewhere, maybe already own a lot? Or would you consider building more in a community setting? Definitely pluses and minuses of both your own home site or a community. But figuring that out first will make a difference because some builders will come and build on your own property. Others will not and will only build in the communities that they already own the land to. So figuring out the right location for your home is truly step number one. Let's look at building on your own land. Well, the hardest part there is going to be finding the right piece of property for you. Once you find the right property, then you're also going to have to figure out all the other amenities that go with it, such as, is it public water and public sewer? Are you dealing with well and septic? If so, is the well there? Is it not there? We'll get into more of those details in another step or a different episode, but just know that finding the right lot is an art in and of itself. Now, if you're looking at building in a neighborhood, some neighborhoods are open to any builders. Some neighborhoods have home builder exclusivity, meaning they might only allow one or two home builders to build in there, or perhaps they're already owned by the builder, in which case that one particular builder is the only one capable of building in that neighborhood. Advantages with the neighborhood are, traditionally, the lots are already developed. They're ready to be built upon. They might very well have other amenities such as sidewalks, community clubhouses, open common space, tot lots. There's plenty of other amenities that could create an entirely different lifestyle. So figuring out what lifestyle is best for you is going to help you figure out step number one, determining the right location.